Wait! Guys, this is Let's Talk Raw with Brooklyn. Okay, come on. And we are leaving the post office. Holla. And I can't wait because look what just happened in my life. Don't move. Don't move. Look what just happened. Ipsy just happened. I don't even know what's in it. I don't even know. They're decent. He thinks I'm so weird. Their December stuff came and I just dropped all of it. Oh my God, where is everything? So it comes in this pink thing. So it's like it already starts purdy. Uh-oh, lost focus. It already starts purdy. Oh my gosh, this is a good one, y'all. Usually it only has like 4 to 5 products. This one has 4 to 5 products. I thought this is a product. It's not. It's just a fun little fun. Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in emojis. Look, I'm a vintage. I wouldn't even know how that goes. Moreau, did any of these make sense to you? So, family, high heel, pizza, umbrella, lipstick. What is that person trying to say? They don't have, they don't need, they're from LA? No, because there's rain and there's pizza. You fail. Okay, people from LA, this is the LA one. Nails done, coffee, heart, candy bar. Can't be LA unless they're high because when you're high, you eat candy. Can't be an LA one. Those aren't Thanksgiving emojis. But it said Friendsgiving. Okay, retarded. Anywho, so this is the bag. Super stoked. This is my favorite one so far. Y'all saw the kitty cat eyes before. And then the red, whatever, what would the red, masquerade. That looked like the masquerade. This one I love. It's like the purple hearts. Okay, purple hearts. What is that? Why does that sound familiar to me? Oh, military. My grandpa got a purple heart in World War II. Ah, yeah, I like you. Okay, so, he said, it's the military. You know what's terrible is my mom. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm not gonna pause and start over. My mom worked in the military for, oh gosh, forever. I don't want to say she don't like to know her age, but it was like a long time. Where'd you guys go? It's your fault that fell. Okay, so Pixie lip gloss, super fun. Let's see what it looks like. I know we need to go home because I have a meeting to get to at 1, but I just got so excited. And it's so much more fun to unbox it when it's like happening right then and there. And I can't wait. And then, so then it's not like authentic. It's like I'm acting. That's so weird for an actress to act. Anywho, okay. So, sorry, a non-working actress at the moment. I don't take that lightly, by the way. Just kidding. Okay, this actually is a really pretty color. So when you have Ipsy or BoxyCharm, what's so exciting about that, can you actually film a little, because there's a glare. What's so exciting about that is, I'm flying today. What's so exciting is you can pick color, honey, there. You can pick colors you like. So I do a lot of nudes and a lot of, there I go flying, and let me just let it out, whatever. Let me just, when you don't plan things, like this is what happens. I gotta plan things. Even if I don't, you never know what's gonna happen. What time is it? Is it the bewitching hour? So I pick a lot of nudes and I'm really into metallic right now. So I'm waiting for metallic. Oh my gosh, is this a nail polish? No, dang. I put in metallic nail polish. I really love that chrome thing going on. So lost focus again, sorry y'all. So until it comes back, there I am. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Tastes like peppermint. Pixie by Petra. And the color is Honey Sheen. Honey, does it sheen? Okay. Okay, that was okay. Okay, nah. All right, I've had better. I've done better. Whatever. She's a whore. What? Did you say that? Who said that? Okay. I'm just kidding, y'all. I just love makeup. I get super stoked. Oh my goodness, I love a good serum. Pumpkin seed serum. Let me tell you about pumpkin. Pumpkin's red. Get the puree. Put it on your face. It won't hurt it. It's going to give it a lot of moisture. It's not going to break it out, and it's going to help with the wrinkles. Somehow it plumps your skin. It's something in the pumpkin. It's, I guess, it's a natural way to get collagen to wake the freak up. I'm working on my ear a little too close. I feel like my face is a little too square. I don't know what time it is because I'm in Atlanta time, so I got to count back 3 hours. That could take a minute. I'll be fine. So pumpkin seed serum, this is the superfood for skin hydration, which is what I just told you. Collagen hydration. Going into my purple heart. That makes me think of granddaddy now that I know what it means. This is, oh my God, I love how there's umlauts on most of these products, which means they are European. And you know, Europeans. Okay, first of all, I was allowed to do that because I grew up in Germany for 15 years. So I can say what I want to say. Okay, so Europe's are way ahead, especially Switzerland. This is from London. This is actually a sheer, I can already tell you, it's called Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder by Cayete. But that's from London. But that's like, I'm in California. That's like right down the road in Mexico. Is that how I say it? Okay, this is my favorite company. I talk about Tarte all the time. I use their Amazon clay powder because it is great for dry weather because it holds in the moisture. It is great for smog and dirty and because it holds out the crap and that's in the air here and allergies and just bleh. And also for, I got you. And then also it's really good for dry, humidity because it keeps your skin from getting sweaty and your makeup falling off. So clay is just amazing in general. It's just like you could eat clay and it'll just clean you out. Sorry, I don't know why I went there. So this is Tarte. I unboxed it without even showing you because I was talking about clay. This is the Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush. Oh my God. I've been wanting this. Y'all, this goes for $24.99 on Amazon. This bag itself is only $10.99 a month. So go to Ipsy oh gosh. Is it IP or IB? I'm so dyslexic. IPSY. Ipsy.com. You get 5 products. This alone is twice the amount of 5 products. And this bag, which I don't know the price of the bag because I don't know who the bag is from. So the bag is made in China. So call China and Google China and Purple Hearts and see what happens because I don't see. Maybe it's just an Ipsy thing. I don't know. I might just ruin my whole promotion job with them. Who knows? Okay. So one last, oh my God, I've been waiting for this. This is the brow wand. You guys, I have been waiting for this. I thought it was coming in my BoxyCharm. And I thought I was gonna have to box the mailbox guy today because I still haven't gotten my key from my landlord. I don't think he watches my channel. I don't think he gives a shit. Okay, so I am actually really excited because I really need to box for this because I've been using eyeliner on my brows. So look at this. Look, I mean, I can do it in, like, look, it, like, fits my brows. It is a, where's the, here we go. See the shape of it? So, I mean, really, like, look how easy that is. Boombastic. Telephone cast. Sorry. Okay, don't mind that. That's just, but look, it's like one sweep. One sweep and home run. Is that the right sport? One sweep and you're out. No, not a sport. I would know. Okay. Well, anywho, I think that might be it. No! Yo, it's gone. It's over. Yeah. Anyway, so that was exciting. I'm super stoked about this pumpkin seed. I'm super stoked about the I'm so stoked. So I will, when I use these products, I will show you what they do. Thanks, Ipsy. I love working with y'all. You guys are awesome. This is such a fun bag to get. The products actually last a long time. A little goes a long way. Everything in life, a little goes a long way. That is my quote of the day, and that is actually a really great way to live life. I'm gonna hang out with that one for a while. Motto. All right, people, I gotta go. I got shit to do, people to see, people to not pay attention to. Love you guys, bye. I mean, what? People looking at me all crazy and shit. Alright, let's start raw. Brooklyn, I was talking raw. Please excuse me. You're supposed to stop. It's not my fault. You're supposed to know. You're supposed to know when I'm getting out of control. You're supposed to know when I'm getting out of control. But you're supposed to be like... Bye.